Your Lordship, I am seeking permission that on 2nd of January, matter was listed before this honorable court, and I was seeking 1 week time to file my reply. Inadvertently, it is said that I waive up my right to file it. So therefore, I am requesting to grant me time.
I don't remember this. We have recorded it this way. We'll have to check it up. Please check it up from the court master. We'll check it up from the diary, the stenographer's diary.
Your Lordship, I was for the.
Well, I'm sorry, if it's recorded specifically, we'll have to check it up from the stenographer's diary. I don't remember. There are two options. Either we rehear the matter, or the second option is that we keep it on Monday afternoon.
We are ready to go on with the matter.
No, we have already heard you substantially. We have to hear the other side.
Tomorrow. My lords are sitting into a bed.
No, there is a change of game. We'll be sitting
Do it for us in the Wednesday, next working day, I believe.
with us. Let it be Monday afternoon then.
Monday is a holiday.
Whatever, Monday after, means the first working day after.
Can you be open with tomorrow, my lord? We are ready to start the re-argument.
No, why?
We are entirely.
I think your lordship has spent considerable time, so therefore it would be better to have.
It may need to spill over on Thursday because we have a rejoinder. We don't want to give up that. So
Look, we'll accommodate, but you'll have to also cut short your arguments.
Yes,
Last time there was a lot of
Very
repetition.
appreciate.
Last time we had gone on to repetition. We had.
No, we were very brief last time. We all got 10 minutes.
So
Actually, the problem involves so many teachers, so that's why there are so many.
I understand that, but that will not make we don't want to cut short anybody, but at the same time we want to be.
Because it will have.
Because we now have guidance from the court on what is needed.
At 2 p.m. on 14th of January.
14th is a holiday.
15th of January 2020.
15th of January.
15th would be a mysterious day.
15th
After the miscellaneous court.
After this.
at 2 p.m.
Great.
Great.
15th is a miscellaneous day.
It's a mysterious.
That may be deliberately kept.
No, that's all right. Some people not pleasure. Wherever.
Well, if it's not over, then
It will require that number for the relief to be modulated, Your Lordship. So CBI to give the numbers and identify the candidates who they have found as stated.
No.
That number should be given in the meanwhile.
Sorry, I couldn't get the.
No, Ms. Makija was saying that CBI should specify the numbers of who are tainted and.
We have already asked the CBI on the last.
Yes, Your Lordship. So there's submission.
They already
What by 15? No, we have actually filed some supplementary challan. CBI is not sure itself. There they say 152. how can the CBI give numbers, my lord? I am opposing this. Sometimes they say 900, sometimes 152. I just want to read that one paragraph to your lordships next time.
হ্যালো দেখে নাও লাইভে
Your
কতজন
your
দেখছে
lordship
দেখে যাও
may call it
আমি
on
তো কাজে আছি
14th, my lord, and then make it 15.
আরে ওয়ান কে 1000 জন দেখছে
CBI has given numbers.
One of my clients is a cancer patient. my lord.
তোমাকে তো দেখেছি
He's suffering from
ওরা আমি
cancer.
তো কাজে আছি
One candidate,
আরো একটা
Soma
লাইভ
Das, has
আসবে,
been
আরো
given
একটা
relief
লাইভ
in the
দিতে
division
Please
bench.
wait
my lord.
for, that cannot be.
He's suffering, my lord. That's why.
We cannot go into.
আরে আজকে জাস্ট হাফ ঘন্টা লাগবে সে লাইভটা দেওয়ার জন্য ফ্রি
Very well. On the next day. Great for the lord.
Sir, only one thing, in some matter, formal notice has not been issued.
We are aware of that.
Yes, so, and compilation, our.
Whatever it is, we are aware.
My lord, may I just submit one thing, my lord? Some of the things that has not been added into the compilation. Our written submissions were also not added in the
They
compilation.
may not be, now it's over, leave it. Most of them are repetitive.
My lord,
Most of
Get
them are
handed over.
repetitive. Leave it.
we have already filed it.
Next week.
Lord, my lord, I want to mention item.
My lord.
Yes, please.
My lord has protected me and directed me to.
Your lordship,
Join
I'm
the-
praying for 4 weeks to file counter affidavit, your lord.
Oh, forget it,
We have joined the investigation.
Your lordship,
you are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for the state, your lordships.
Minute, during investigation, what have you found?
Your lordship, may give me 1 week, your
1
lord.
minute.
1 week.
When was the notice issued?
It's not uploaded, there's an app mentioned.
Put in December.
4th October.
The last opportunity was granted in December. Notice was issued earlier. Leave, just tell us one thing. As per your investigation, is he has been engaging the services of that app number of times, or this is the first time he had operated?
Your lordship, just give me 1 day to take
Please,
instructions.
sorry, we are not giving adjournment. We can pass it over, get the instructions.
Your
coming.
lordship, may pass it over.
Yeah, please get your instructions at 2 o'clock.
Please, please.
My lord, we have filed additional document.
We have seen that.
My lord.
Please.
Come at 2.
Grateful, my lord.
Appearing in 3.1. Lord, there must be some confusion because of supplementary board.
You want it to be taken up at 2 o'clock, we'll take it up at 2.
Very well.
My friend is in item 3, I'm in 3.1, so let
Then we'll take it up at 2.
Obliged.
Yes, please.
The difficulty here is, my lord, despite your lordship's permission,
Cannot be at this stage. How can the court grant you interim relief?
my lord, the difficulty is, my lord, for 10 hearings, my lord, we have
No.
been moving press feed. May I only request you,
In
lordship,
fact, let me put it, there's a difference between the two. Res judicata may not apply, but the law of precedence may be applicable.
my lord, may I only
There's a
request
difference
that
between
let
the
the
two.
High Court, my lord,
We
expedite.
can't pass an interim order. They've been right. In case you succeed, appropriate orders will be passed.
My lord, let it be decided expedition.
Please ask for early hearing.
My
before
lord,
the
we
High
have
Court.
moved 10 times, my lord.
But
I have-
fine, it's only a commercial matter, it's not something of relating
No, my
to
lord.
life and liberty.
Even for press fee, my lord, that.
Sorry,
even if-
Mr. Khanna, we can't do it. We are not inclined to interfere with the impugned order, which is dated. What's the date of the impugned order? Mr. Khanna, what's the date of the impugned order? Mr. Aye. Mr. Aye for that.
I'm sorry.
Already imposed. Why should they even the writ petition, this writ petition is filed by whom?
so many matters.
So we'll The special petition also.
Well, the writ petition is.
Okay, okay, okay. Are we not inclined to issue notice in the present MA? As the matter is still pending before the High Court.
The only request is if the High Court can be allowed.
Sorry.
Disposing of expedition.
Sorry. Item 5. Go before Justice
My Lord, only one more request. If my Lord can observe, we can move the learned Chief Justice again, my Lord, for expeditious.
It's not a life and liberty matter. Let's go before Justice Bela Trivedi's bench. This will go before Justice Bela Trivedi's bench. That she has passed the earlier order.
Earlier, my lord.
And in the meanwhile, please file a list of the prayer list of writ petitions you have filed.
We have already.
1 minute, please.
Yes.
Just listen.
Yes.
You file a list of writ petitions you have filed along with the prayer process in those.
Already there, fine.
I want in a form of a chart.
This chart is there. Chart is there with my note page. Chart is there. I produce a
Which
chart.
page?
Every petition I file, I
Okay,
produce a
which
chart.
page is that chart, please?
Yes, page number. Yes. Yes, page, yes. 631. Page number 631. My lord, I have come here before many times, before your lordships also, before Justice Sanjay Krishnan Kaur's bench also. His lordship was pleased to direct me to the.
I don't want to make any comment.
Yes.
Because the matter is being, we will be listening before Justice Bela Trivedi.
When I came on the first occasion.
Okay.
My lord,
Right up.
all issue is, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, the judgment of the Justice Bela Trivedi.
Before a bench presided over by Honorable Mr. Justice Bela M. Trivedi in the week commencing 27th of January 2025.
And my lord, till that, my lord, status quo to be maintained.
Nothing.
No, my lord, your lordship may.
Oh, you want it early? I can give you early.
My lord.
You want it early? We can give you early.
Give me for two.
No, sorry. You want it early? We can give you early. That's
Let me say at least one word. My lord, the whole issue is which is a forum.
We don't want to.
1 minute, my lord.
Please, I've given you the option. You want an early date? I can give you an early date.
Early date, my lord, on 20th or on 20th, fine.
In the week commencing 20th of January 2025.
Great job. And my lord, one word, my lord, not a single MSME has been given the benefit, and she is the leader of the MSME association.
Case is over.
Not a single MSME.
Please, 7.
While on the Ambani got all benefits, 49,000 crores.
Are you addressing us when the matter is over?
92 paisa for 100 rupees.
Please do not address after the matter is over.
Lord, may I mention item number 6?
That will come up on.
Lord, two things there. Leave to file the SLP, your lordship may grant.
We have not, in other cases also, we just simply tagging them. We are not now entertaining anything.
That's your Lord.
List on 15.
We are led by Learned Solicitor General. He's on his legs.
January 2025 at 2 p.m.
Lord, we are led by Mr. Solicitor General. He's on his legs before court too, my lords. May kindly pass it over.
Okay, pass over.
Wait for a moment. Please, ma'am. My lords, I think I directed this matter to be listed with our other case where your lordships had passed.
Your lordship, in item 8, I'm requesting for a pass over, your lordship, in the supplementary list.
I'll just show you.
It will be taken up at 2 p.m.
What are the other matters coming up?
My lords had just said list it on 2nd January. Your lordships had said list along with SLP.
Your lordship, I'm requesting for a pass over.
Pass the material order. But what has happened is this SLP 17238 has not been listed today. Whereas that's where your lordships had passed a substantial.
Why has it been, why has it been listed today?
Your lordship, this is a mentioning matter. We had mentioned this matter for listing.
So, without giving any date, why has it been listed today? Just check it up. Why has it been listed?
Your lordship, may kindly give me a pass over in the matter, please.
We're passing it over in the meanwhile because we simply said list with SLP number so and so. There's no urgency in the matter.
Your lordship, we will explain the urgency. If your lordship, may
There is
kindly
no
pass over.
urgency. You're asking for expulsion of certain remarks. There is no urgency at all.
I only request for a pass over, your lordship.
That's an urgency, then I'm sorry. It doesn't cut ice with us.
Your lordship has passed over the matter.
Yes, we have passed over the matter.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
And there was no need for once we directed it to be listed on the, along with the SLP, there was no need for this matter to be, have been listed like this. And even if you mention it and list it, then it's wrong. You should not have got it listed like this. Next case.
Lordships.
Item 9, my lords, may I ask for a short passover, my lords?
Passover will mean it will come up in the end of the board. After the board is over, it's impossible.
My lord, kindly pass.
Passover.
My lords, these are matters.
Passovers are coming at the very end, is it?
They come normally at 2 o'clock.
My lords, these are matters.
May I request?
They come up.
Item 8.
What we do is we take the Passover matters at 2 o'clock.
Or 2 o'clock. Because I have a matter, special bench matter, President Pankaj Datta at 2 o'clock. Would your lordship have it next week then, man?
You are appearing in item 9. You have
8, I was on 8, man. I was just on 8, which your lordship.
We'll see at 2 o'clock.
Because I'm on a special bench at that time.
If there's some difficulty, we'll try and.
I'm obliged. I'm very obliged.
Item 9, lordships, they asked for passover, but I wanted to request, this is a matter with regard to promotion and reservation of person with disabilities. My lords are considering that another bench. Some of the.
When is that?
That's coming, my lords, in 3rd week of February, my lords. The order? The order?
Notice
lords, many of these are petitioners who were never.
Keep it along with it. You have the date in that?
Yes, because it's beginning 24th February week, but it's contained in the.
Listed along with specially.
Well, it's contempt petition 686 of 2020.
686 of 2020 titled so and so in the week commencing 24th of February 2025.
Your lordships in 9.5, your lordships, notice has not been issued, your lordships. Wait,
We take it up.
Please.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. So, my lords, there was an IA which was pending before your lordships, and this is in relation to your lordships recall, it was our contention that they have appointed a cook and an office boy as the pujaris. Now, my lords, may I just take your lordships to the order of 25th of July 2023.
25th of
There was a
July.
status quo, and I'll show how that has been violated, my lords. Please see page 2 of the order of 25th of July 23. May I read, my lords?
Yes.
Learned senior counsel for the respondent seeks time to get instructions on the issue as to whether after assumption of management, the pujari of the temple was changed or not. This is required for the purpose of passing an interim order in the matter. In the meantime, the parties shall maintain status quo as of today with respect to the conduct of puja till the next date. Now, my lords, there are 3 affidavits which are of significance which have been filed because it's your lordships may also see one of the other orders here, and I'll come to the affidavits in a moment. 3rd of September 2024, your lordships have passed an order where it is recorded that learned counsel appearing for the fit person who was appointed to administer the temple in question seeks time to ascertain the factual position in light of the short affidavit dated 30th of July 2023. Now, so my lords, there are affidavits by both the state here. The state in the first affidavit I'll show is evasive. The second affidavit, they make a statement which is belied by the fit person's affidavit. So, my lords, please see these affidavits. But most importantly, my lords, if I may point out the latest affidavit, and then if I may go backwards, please see the fit person's affidavit, which is filed on 24/9/2009. I'm sorry, 24/9/2024.
Is it KV Muralidharan IAS?
My lord, this is IA number. I'm sorry. This is Prabhakaran. One Mr. Prabhakaran has filed it as fit person. And what it says, my lords, what is of relevance here is paragraph 9. I'm sorry. Yes, so we have evidence to show, my lord, who these persons are and how they have come in subsequently. Paragraph 9. It is further respectively submitted that presently.
Yes, person.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's an affidavit or an IA?
My lord, this is an affidavit by the fit. It is titled only affidavit on behalf of the fit person proposed. Respondent number 6. S. Prabhakaran.
Paragraph number?
My lords, please see 9 first. Para 9 at page 8 internal.
Yes.
It is further respectively submitted that presently Arulmigu so and so and Pachiaman temple Chennai has 3 regularly appointed pujaris with a order passed by the first respondent dated 16/8/2023. My lord,